Two U.S. Navy EA-18G Growler electronic warfare aircraft crashed following a mid-air collision in Idaho. All 4 pilots successfully ejected before impact and survived the incident. The first image of Russia's twin-seat Su-57 has emerged as it begins taxi trials. Bangalore-based Tonbo Imaging has successfully delivered advanced thermal clip-on sights to the Indian Army ahead of schedule. Prime Minister Modi's visit to the Netherlands has resulted in a historic elevation of bilateral ties to a strategic partnership, with a comprehensive roadmap covering defense, semiconductors and Indo-Pacific security. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Sweden has resulted in expanded cooperation in advanced manufacturing and green technology, while both nations also discussed strengthening defense and aerospace collaboration. Indian Army's K9 Vajra program is set for a major K9 Vajra 2.0 upgrade, featuring AI-driven counter-drone capability, automation, electronic warfare integration, jammers, passive detection systems, and advanced sensors to detect and engage drones and loitering munitions. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will begin receiving Honeywell engines for the HTT-40 trainer aircraft from next month, helping revive production after prolonged supply chain delays. A major consignment of over 60,000 units of 155mm artillery ammunition components is currently being exported through Chennai port, highlighting India's growing role as a reliable global supplier of NATO standard munitions. Garden Reach Shipbuilders will launch the first of 4 next-generation offshore patrol vessels being built for the Indian Navy on 20th May. Data Patterns developed Talon Shield self-protection jammer pod will undergo flight testing with the Indian Air Force in the coming months, that is designed to enhance survivability by detecting jamming and degrading hostile radar and missile guidance systems. The BVS-10 Beowulf, designated as Sindhu for Indian service, is now operationally positioned in Ladakh to support the Indian Army's high-altitude mobility and logistics requirements along the line of actual control with China. Bharat Forge has confirmed that the ATAGS is in the final stage of field acceptance trials with the Indian Army, while production lines are being ramped up for peak high-volume output within 15 to 18 months. Bharat Forge and Tata Advanced Systems secured the 6,900 crore rupees contract for 307 guns in 2025, and the first regiment is expected to become operational by early 2027. Armored Vehicles Nigam Limited has released an expression of interest for procuring 593 UAV systems under the Future Ready Combat Vehicle program, with a target of 80% indigenous content. Tonbo Imaging and Napoleon Dynamics are developing a turbojet-powered autonomous strike system, designed for rapid deployment from mobile naval and air launch platforms. It is capable of speeds up to 600 km per hour, and operational ranges of 150 km. Integration of the indigenous 160 km range Astra Mark 1 missile on the Indian Air Force's Mirage 2000 remains technically feasible, but depends on access to source code and integration rights from France. As a more practical alternative, the Indian Air Force is increasingly inclined toward integrating the 110 km range MICA-NG missile as a direct replacement for existing 80 km range MICA missiles. Russia has started taxi trials of a twin-seat Su-57 variant featuring a new cockpit layout. The twin-seat configuration will reduce crew workload by sharing flying and weapon targeting duties, while also enabling the second crew member to act as a commander for unmanned combat aircraft, and supporting UAVs unmanned teaming operations. One of the primary objectives of the cancelled Indo-Russian FGFA program was to develop a twin-seat variant of the aircraft, aiming to mirror the Su-30 model with 1 pilot and 1 weapon systems officer. Russia has offered both the single and twin-seat variants to India, with provisions for integration of Indian weapons and systems, along with discussions around technology transfer and local production. Today's top 3 comments.